Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. Okay, we have two methods how we can do it, and I'll show you both methods. First, and the recommended method is a reset using the settings, and a second method is by using the recovery mode. The second method is recommended, for example, when our device is frozen, lagged, basically when we cannot perform the reset through the settings. Let's begin with the first method. Let's open up the settings. Now scroll all the way down until you find System and Updates. Now find the Reset. And in here, of course, we are interested in the last option, Reset Phone, but we can also reset all settings or reset network settings right in here. Let's select the last option. Remember that all of your data will be erased from your phone. And now all you need to do is to click on Reset Phone. After that, your device will be turned off. Then wait a few seconds, the phone will be automatically turned on, and the next thing that you need to do is to go through the setup process. That's the first method. Now I'll show you the second one. To launch the recovery mode, we need to power off our device first, so let's hold the power button. And click on power off. Now, to get access into recovery mode, we need to hold power button and volume up button at the same time. So, start holding both buttons until you get into recovery mode. Okay, it has launched. To move around this menu, we use the volume keys. Now we need to select Clear All Data. If you want, you can also use your fingers, because the screen is also fully responsive. Now select Factory Data Reset. Tap Power button to confirm. And now we need to type the word Yes using our keyboard. Select Factory Data Reset. Confirm. And now wait until your data is wiped. It shouldn't take long, so don't worry. Okay, reset successful. Now select Back, select the Restart, and now wait until your phone turns on. The next thing that you need to do is to go through the setup process, just like in the first method. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.